Hi everyone, in this video, our enjoyable bonding and making Turkish breakfast at my friend's place. See you then! Hi, my name is Ria. My channel is about places to visit here in Doha, our family travel adventure, my recipe, and a little bit of my home organizing ideas. Mocha, bye-bye. See you later. Bye! Bye, Mukmuk. Bye-bye. You're sad. We'll see you later, okay? Bye! Ay, good morning. Eto, I'm on the way na sa bahay ng friends ko. And kasi sabi niya, she's going to make a Turkish breakfast. As you know, we love Turkish food. And kagagaling lang namin sa Turkey few months ago. To experience yung talagang authentic na food nila. And my friend is married to a Turkish and she's going to show me how to make the Turkish breakfast. I cannot wait. We'll see you guys later. Bye! 7:52, I think. Ito na yung house niya. I think ito na yung house niya kasi I don't exactly remember. Pangalawang beses pa lang akong pupunta ngayon. So, I think ito na yun. Knock, knock! Hello, hello! I'm here! Hi! Nandito na ako. Wow! Ito ang aking friend. Hello!
I miss you,
I miss you too. Wow, I like your kitchen. Nice.
Tiny but cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Kitchen para siyang English style. Small and cute.
Maliit lang, Luker.
So, ano naman tawag dito? So, egg siya. Tanggalin ko yung jacket ko
Tomato
kasi
siya.
I feel hot. Tomato siya.
Tapos egg, yun lang.
Ayan.
Pero kailangan mo siya lutuin ng maputi yung egg, potato.
I like your kitchen.
Do you like this?
Yes. Satar. Yeah, I know that. Satar. Luto na yata ito, no?
Yeah. Niluto ko na siya kasi ano siya.
Sure, yeah.
Matagal lutuin yung ano, di ba? Yung
Oo.
tomato. Para dito matagal.
Nice. This one is like
Moroccan.
Moroccan.
Ano yung cumin?
Yeah. Nag-stay dito sa kitchen.
Hindi ka. Pag nagka-fasting ako, hindi ako pumunta dito.
Wow! Nag-lose weight ka na. Nice! Yeah, sexy na! Ang ganda ng garden niyo. Wow, ang sarap talagang Turkish breakfast. Gusto ko yung garden mo, ang ganda. Oh my God! I'm going. Bye. Ayaw nila sa akin. Nagulat man ako. Wow, talagang special. Oh my God. Ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa Turkish food. Talagang fresh and healthy. Tingnan mo yung mga olives niya.
Malaking
yung
difference
tomato.
sa ano, no? Sa Philippine breakfast. Dami kayo.
And ang aking host, napakaganda. Wow. So dito kayo lagi yung nag-dine in sa labas.
Siguro every weekend.
Talaga nice. Turkish tea nice naman. Oh, kailangang Turkish tea muna bago mag-Turkish.
Without tea, there's no Turkish breakfast.
Wow, talagang special. Wow,
Nahulunan
nice.
sila.
Para talaga tayong nasa Turkey, ah.
Strong or light?
I will try yung ano lang,
Light.
medium lang.
Light, yeah. Okay.
Wow! Woo! Bon appetit! Oh my God, ang sarap. Talagang para akong nasa Turkey. I'm so excited. Tingnan nyo, pati yung garden niya talagang ang ganda. Cannot wait to try.
From Turkey.
From
This is
Turkey
a
talaga.
simple, what is it? Ano ba yung cheddar?
Cheddar, yeah,
cheese,
okay.
yes.
Ang dami. Maubos natin yan. Yung pumunta
try
kami
natin.
sa Turkey, ito talaga yung gusto ko yan, yung mga yan.
This is tawag doon, surki.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tapos
mix
yan,
of
yung mga
herbs.
salad na
Yeah,
yan,
mix
yung
with
mga
herbs.
olives.
Yeah. Say thank you to my friends. Come on.
You're welcome. I baked that muffins for you guys.
Yeah, that's container. You can use it with our cat.
So let's dig in. Wow, so nice. Namimiss ko sa Turkey. Really nice.
If I lay it down and I'll play it dead and I'll stay dead, baby, you never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my
Turkish coffee na tayo. So, ito yung gamit mo. Okay, Turkish kalhose. You have to measure yung tubig niya. So, 2 cups and
Like 2.5 teaspoon. 2.5 of this.
ang cute ng kanyang lutuan. And cute naman. Ganyan siya. Hindi nakakatakot. Oh!
Yeah. Okay, this inside and I will give it to the siblings. So I'll offer you guys. No sugar, huh? Then I'll give this to my siblings.
How do you drink that one? No sugar?
Without sugar.
Okay, let me...
Because we have chocolate.
Okay. Let me try no sugar. Yeah, I will follow.
You don't like to drink it, right?
It's fine. At least matry ko.
Okay, you guys can speak Tagalog. I'm gonna go outside. I'll give this to my siblings. Oh, sure. Go.
So ngayon, we're going to try the Turkish coffee. I'm so excited. Kailangan mo bang i-boil siya or...
Yeah, i-boil. May ibang gusto ng naka-boil talaga. May iba naman yung parang isang boil lang. Pero para hindi umano sa ano natin. Yung
Parang dry?
Dry. Ano to? Glass. I said glass of water. Oh, pambihira.
Pambihira!
Patang glass of water. We'll also eat this with I will try your
okay.
coffee with the Turkish coffee.
So kailangan
Only one.
with water, yeah?
I need one more glass, please.
I still have where's my glass?
I am there. That's for Evan. Put here or take it out. For me, I don't know.
Dawood, you want one more? It smells good.
No, I like a little coffee.
So ayun siya nag-boil.
Don't eat your cupcakes, Dawood.
I love cooking.
No, don't eat your cupcakes.
Or you want more boil? Okay, boil more.
It's fine, it's fine.
Okay. It's strong.
It's enough.
So now we're going to try now the Turkish coffee.
With her.
Ever since hindi ko pa natatry ang Turkish coffee. So, inumin natin to with the chocolate.
Yeah, yan talaga ang partner niya. Kasi wala siyang wala siyang sugar.
Sweetness, walang sugar.
Walang sweetness. Bitter, right? Is it?
No, normal.
Yeah.
Kasi inano mo lang siya light.
Okay. May iba na gusto talaga ng
Strong.
Super, strong.
Parang yung taste bitter na siya. Masarap. Masarap naman siya. Para sa atin sa Pilipinas, kaping barako.
Barako. Yes, kaping barako.
Cheers!